Hi, welcome back. So we are focusing on your health, and right now we're focusing not just on your health and how healthy you are, but how you feel. Are you awake right now because you've got some pain, maybe in your back, maybe in your shoulders? We have got the answer for you, completely medicine-free. This is your solution for that pain. This is a huge customer pick, and wait until you see the configuration we have from Dr. Ho, Doctor of Chiropractic Medicine. This is his System Pro. This actually comes with 20 adhesive pads. You know how long this is going to last you? These last and last and last, but this, typically, we offer just this system for $129. Today, we are in our final quantities. We've added, see everything that you see on the black right here? That's what we would normally offer. You're getting all of those extra additional gel adhesive pads for the same price, just $129, and it's $25.99 to get it home. If you got your HSN card, it's $21. But this is a different, maybe you've heard of TENS devices, maybe you've tried them before. This is different than anything you've ever tried because this is clinically proven, clinically developed by Dr. Ho, chiropractor, and he's here right now to tell us what's so different. And I've experienced the difference. I know you have as well.
Yes.
Dr. Ho, such a delight to have you here.
Great to be here always.
Thank you.
Hi, everybody. Listen, if you suffer with pain or muscle tension or stress, you need to try the Dr. Ho Pain Therapy System because this really works to relax your muscle and relieve your pain fast, okay? I'm talking about how many of you have problems sleeping because your back pain bothers you all night? Or you wake up with back pain, you have trouble driving to work or sitting in front of your computer all day, or you have trouble playing with your kids or doing your normal household work. You know, pain can get in the way of life. And if you let pain slow you down, well, your health will deteriorate because your body needs to move. Now, my system is very different. It's very powerful, but it's very soothing. It just feels like a deep soothing massage, and it works fast. For fast temporary relief, give this a try. Now, over 10 million people, yes, 10 million people around the world are already living a better life with less pain. And one of the main reasons they love my system is because it's very easy to use. Take a look here, okay? All you have to do is put the little pad on the area where you have pain. So for instance, you have a pain around your rotator cuff area, your shoulder. All I do is put little pads on. There's a little switch on the side. I click it on. Look, it's got this nice big screen. You don't need your glasses to see anything. And you select different modes. Now, there's 7 modes, so you can customize the treatment for your own particular pain. And then you adjust the intensity. Now, one word device, this is a very small machine, but it's one of the most powerful devices on the market today. Now, exactly.
Contracting your muscle, yeah.
Yes. Now, at a certain level, you start to feel your muscle dancing in the zone. Now, I turn it a little higher so you can see the activity. But I want to assure you, this is not painful. In fact, if you close your eyes, it just feels like deep, soothing, relaxation massage. Within minutes, the muscle inside, on top of deep inside, will start to relax, and the pain literally melts away instantly, okay? And after about 10 minutes, you go, hey, I feel a little better. After 20 minutes, you go say, hey, I can actually move the arm better without the usual pain. Now, nice thing about this, you can use this anywhere. So for shoulder pain, I show you already what to do. For elbow pain, put right there. How many of you do heavy manual labor like construction, or you do a lot of repetitive work on the computer, or doing things where you're twisting your arm all the time, or playing tennis or other sports? Well, a lot of you have pain right here. Again, you put the little pads here. It's fantastic for pain there. Now, if you're a bad golfer like I am, okay, and you hit the ground all the time, boy, you can get bad pain here. I use this before I play golf and after I play. It just helped me recover faster so I can continue to enjoy doing what I do, okay? Now, some of you may have pain that, run through the wrist or down to your hand. Look at how simple, how easy, how effective, and all without pills, without appointments, and with no extra cost. You get the system once, and you and your family can get years of relief. Now, I want to assure you, this is not your regular TENS device. This is a professional TENS device that I use with my own patients in my clinic. And it's the same type of TENS device that I use by chiropractors and physical therapists. But with my device, there's one difference. This one you take home and use it on your own. In fact, it's rechargeable. So you use it on the plane, use it when you're on your cruise, when you're traveling overseas, you can take it to work. For those of you who play sports, make sure you have this with you when you go play sports. This is good for anyone who overuse their body. And if you're the type of person who has a lot of age-related pain, okay, you want to use this all the time. A lot of you just from cooking or sleeping, all those different normal activity can cause muscle ache. With this, you get immediate relief. Now, if you take quick look at the package here.
It's amazing.
We've done some calculation. It'll give you up to 1,000 treatments. Listen to this.
That's
the entire system here will give you up to 1,000 treatments. If you think about that, okay, how much money you're saving and how much time you're saving, not only that, the more important thing is you can get immediate relief when you need it, and that means you get your life back. Now,
That's
Shannon.
incredible. Am I adding that right? Is that like 12 cents a treatment? That's incredible. I've been to the chiropractor, and it's not 12 cents a treatment. I could maybe get 2 chiropractor visits to use this same TENS device for the price of the entire system right here. Even if you were to see this on the infomercial, Dr. Ho's infomercial, very, very popular, of course, over 10 million sold, it would be $200 just for everything that you see here, not even with the extra pads. So we'd love it if you would give us a call if you're one of the very happy 10 million users who are getting that incredible pain relief with no medicine whatsoever. But we want you to hear from someone who is a very, very happy customer. Listen to Robert.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using Dr. Ho, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about Dr. Ho is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy to use unit.
And I know a lot of people do use it in order to fall asleep. It even has an auto shut-off feature. When you look at it, if you've never tried TENS before, maybe you've tried one that was a little bit painful, this is no pain.
That's right.
It's stimulating the muscle, but it's so relaxing. It's like somebody giving you a massage,
Yes.
really.
Well, Shannon, you told me earlier that, when you have tension, you get right here in the shoulder.
Like right now.
You want to try this on your shoulder?
Oh my gosh, well, I probably will fall asleep. Just a warning to you. I love it, yes.
So again, if you're just watching this, it's very easy. Got this little self-adhesive pad. You don't need any gel or anything. We just stick this right in the bare skin, okay? Just like that. If you turn the face
It feels cool. It's like a cooling
sensation. Because it's got
sensation.
moisture. In fact, those pads are reusable 70 to 100 times. They're the best pads you can buy in the market today, okay? And they don't feel, when you use out of TENS, so if those of you who have out of TENS, you feel the pins and needle and the actual causes pain. With mine, you don't feel that. You feel the stimulation deep in the muscle, and you feel that relaxation immediately. Okay, if you in fact you have other TENS devices, get this one. Upgrade yourself to a professional unit, because when it comes to pain, you want the very best. There's no second best. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we just turn it on. Okay, now we go very slow. Tell me when you start to feel it, Shannon.
Okay.
Here we come.
Ooh, yeah, it's just tingling. It's just a little bit of, ooh, there it goes. Look at, ooh. See how my shoulders are going up a little bit?
She's not moving the shoulder.
No.
The device is stimulating the muscle, and it's contracting and relaxing the muscle in different rhythm. In fact,
Yeah.
do you find it changing every few seconds?
Yeah, it
See?
feels really like a masseuse. Like
Exactly.
now they're kneading my back, now they're kneading the shoulders.
Yes.
Now they're getting a nice, like a deep tissue massage. Oh my gosh,
I'm going to give you the
it's
control unit here.
heavenly.
You can control the intensity yourself. In fact, that's my tip. Never let someone else control the intensity. Always do yourself, okay? Now, let me, if you don't mind, let me stand behind you, Shannon. What Shannon is experiencing, okay, it's as if the best masseuse back here is like kneading muscle. Then they'll stop, and they'll squeeze it, lift it up, and then they'll drop it. And then all the tension's gone. And then it'll go chop, 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 pounding, pounding, pounding. And then after a while, it'll go duh-duh-duh-duh. There's so many different techniques. This is our special technology. It's called auto-modulating pain relieving wave. Because it's modulating and changing all the time, your body never get used to it. That's why it worked for you the first time and for years to come. Now, in fact, there's so many features about the device. Now, one thing I want to ask you, Shannon, does it hurt at all?
No, not at all.
Not painful at all, right?
Not painful at all.
And is it on the surface, or does it go deep inside where your pain is?
It's all the way deep down inside. I mean, if I've had masseuses before, and they kind of like, oh, I'm kind of rubbing, and you're like, no, get in there. This gets in there, but not painful at all. It just feels great.
Okay, now I want to show you another feature that's very important with my TENS that's not available anywhere else. It's got 2 ports, okay? Now, you may not realize I actually have another set of pads hooked up to my low back. Shannon, can you do me a favor? Just hold my shirt up to show my low back, okay? I have pads on my low back, and I have pads on my upper shoulder. So with this system, I have 2 ports. So one set of port goes to the pads of my shoulder. The second port, it goes to the pads of my low back. And then control it separately. What that means is I can make it perfectly comfortable for each body area so I get the best treatment every single part of my body anytime I want. Now, I also got a timer set for 20, 30, or 40 minutes. And this will shut off by itself. So for those of you who have trouble sleeping at night because you're pain, this is heaven, okay? If you do wake up with pain, put the pads on, relieve your pain, and go back to sleep. Now, there's 7 modes, A, B, C, D, E, F. If you're not sure which one you like best, just go to all. It's just really cool. Cycle through all of them, and you're gonna love it.
And that's one of the things that you were saying that makes this so much different than others is because it's that, not muscle confusion, but your muscles don't get used to it. You know, if somebody if a masseuse just kept doing this the whole time, you'd be like, that was nice at first. Now it's not nice anymore.
Exactly.
It mixes it up, it keeps cycling through, so your muscles are like, oh, that's nice, that's nice. And for any place that you're experiencing that pain, whether it's your shoulders, your arms, your legs, your knees, your ankles, your calves, anywhere, that's what's so beautiful about it. You are getting this incredible kit with every size pad. You saw the big pads for the lower back.
I want to show you. This is one of the biggest package we ever offer around the world. Okay, you get a fantastic deal here. You're gonna get the Pain Therapy Pro. Now, this is a professional TENS device that's cleared by FDA, okay? It can give you fast temporary relief for your muscle tension and your pain. It comes with all the wires. It's rechargeable. So you can charge it up once, okay? And you can go for a couple of weeks vacation without worrying about, what kind of power they have in Europe. You don't worry. It will last you weeks of treatment.
And you'll love it on vacation too.
Exactly.
Sleeping in a different bed. Oh my goodness, that wrecks ya.
Now you're gonna get the regular pads here, the wires. You're also gonna get a large pad of the flexible pads, which is good for the larger body area. You're also gonna get, a pad placement chart and a travel case. Now, pad placement chart plus the instructional DVD, by the way, which is very important for anyone who have questions about how to use it. This is the same instruction that I give to my own patients. So with this, it's like having me there to help you out anytime you want. Also, we give you a toll-free number. You can call anytime you want. Excuse me. Now, you also get 4 of the regular size replacement pads. Now, normally, we sell this on our own infomercial for $200. But today on HSN, you're also gonna get all this additional pads for no extra charge over here, right? So all this extra pads is included today. Now, if you add up all the pads, and because the pads are reusable 70 to 100 times, you're getting 700 to 1,000 treatment here.
Wow.
Now, also, you can always get replacement pads here on HSN anytime you need. So be secure that you buy this system, you're always going to be good to use. In fact, I read some of the review on hsn.com, and thank you for all of you who write reviews. And people who bought my unit from 30 years ago are buying this upgrade now. So if you have my original Pain Therapy, hey, give that away to someone. Get this one for yourself. This is a fantastic upgrade. Okay?
I love it. And speaking of customer reviews, we have some great customer reviews to read to you because we really trust our customers. Good product, good purchase. I would advise customers to completely use the chart that shows how to and where to place the leads and the time schedules to be used. Then we also have works great. I bought this for my boyfriend who was complaining nightly about shoulder pain. The first night he used this, he said it worked amazingly. He's used it every night since and now wants to purchase more accessories for it so he can use it on other areas of his body. Well, good for you. You don't even have to buy any extra accessories tonight. We're including every single thing you could possibly need and more. And because it has dual inputs, you can use it even with somebody else in your family at the same time or on 2 separate body areas at the same time. Hey, Henry.
Hi. Hi, Henry. Hey, Henry, can you agree with me on this one? Now, in life, you have a choice. Up to now, you have a choice, okay? You can either spend a lot of time running back and forth for different treatments, spend a lot of money each time for that appointment, or you can get a Dr. Ho, sit at home, watch HSN, or watch your favorite movie, and get amazing relief immediately without any time or money wasted. Isn't that great? This is something you can do. In fact, if you have trouble sleeping tonight because your back pain or your neck is really sore, or you get that knot between the shoulder blade that's not going away, or your knee is really sore from the activity that you've done all day, or the inactivity from sitting in the car or in the office, this is something you can be using, relieve your aches and pain, and go back to sleep. Now, Henry, what has my Pain Therapy system done for you?
Well, you and I are both grandfathers, and we both have agreed that is the best job you could have.
Absolutely.
And I also have a very active life, and for me to be able to have an active life and for me to be able to be a grandfather to my grandchildren, I need periodically a nice massage to loosen myself up and things like that. And I used to go to the chiropractor. I don't have to anymore. I'm able to use this. I use it primarily when I go to bed at night and just love it. You know, I'll have had a rough day or a day that I was quite active and I'm a little sore. I'll put it on and it just helps me fall asleep gently and easily. And it's so nice. There's a timer so it shuts itself off. It does all those things. I couldn't thank you enough, and my grandchildren couldn't thank you enough either.
Well, and because when your muscles feel better, you're able to be more active.
That's
with them
correct.
As well.
You know, it always inspired me to listen to people like Henry because, you know, life is very short. If you waste one day to pain, that's one day you'll never get back. Listen, ladies especially out there, think of all the men you know. A lot of men, they have a lot of different types of pain, from working, from sports, from different things they do, and just from plain neglect. But most men, they don't know how or they don't take care of the body like they should. But if you get this for them as a gift, when they use it, they feel better and they'll love you for it. In fact, think of all the, excuse me, think of all the people you know that do suffer with pain. Actually, before we go on, I'll give you my own testimony. As you can tell, I'm a little bit under the weather today. You know, in fact, I've been traveling so much for the past 2 months. I ran myself a little thin. And we've been, you know, we were at a wedding, a destination wedding in Mexico. And from sleeping on different bed, and I was coughing really bad, I got severe back pain that one evening. And boy, I couldn't sleep at all that night. I pulled my doctor off my suitcase, I put it on. Oh, I'm telling you, 20 minutes later, my back pain was gone. I fell asleep. I woke up the next morning feeling refreshed, no more back pain. I was able to enjoy the wedding ceremony. Hey, without this, I would have missed a great event.
Absolutely.
Okay? This is something you can use to get your life back. Okay, Henry, can you do me a favor? Can you stand up and show me? Now, Henry here, he is a very active gentleman, and you see he's very fit. And because of that, over the years, he have accumulated a lot of different stress to his lower back. So he uses his lower back, and he finds this very helpful for the back pain cross here. Now, Henry also get pain that goes down his hip and down his leg. Henry, do you mind if I just pull your pants up a little bit? So for those of you who get pain that run down your hip or down your leg, this is what, this is what you do. You put a bat on the buttock and one on the leg. Now, depending where your pain is, it could be here, or it could be behind your calf, or even at the, around your ankle here. So it's simple. You put the pad where you have tension or pain, and the instructional DVD and the pad placement chart will show you exactly what to do. Now, if you suffer lower back pain, I encourage you, use this. 8 out of 10 people will experience back pain sometime in their life. So it's a serious problem. Thank you, Henry.
You bet.
This is something you can manage on your own, with no pills, no appointments, and no ongoing bills. And a lot of you, you feel worried about the medication you're taking, or you already maxed out on your medication. This is a drugless alternative. And there are a lot of people, Shannon, that should not be on medication because of their work.
Right.
For instance, a nursing mother, a heavy machine operator, a school bus driver, pilots, etc. There are many people where a drugless alternative is the key. Now, for me, I love this machine for many reasons. I told you my recent story, but for a long term, I've been able to stay active and keeping me, fairly young feeling at least, because of this machine. I love to play sports, especially basketball, and when you play basketball and everybody's taller than you, it's kind of hard on your knee.
Sure.
So,
for knees, that's important.
My knee is always giving me trouble, so I use this before I play and right after I play, so I can always get back into the game. Let me just pull my unit out. Now, if you have knee problem from aging, from sports, from just sitting too much, or from, anything, this is something you want to use. This is fantastic. And look how simple it is. All I do, I just put the big pads, one on each side of the knee, and you feel the circulations just soothing around the knee. It just feels great. Now, some of you, especially at night, have problem with your calf muscle. Your calf muscle always going to spasm, or you get that weird achy feeling, running down your calf. Well, and look at those pads. They're really nice and sticky, and they feel good. Again, no pain. So for those with calf muscle,
totally reusable. You don't have to wash them. You just reuse them.
Reuse them about 100 times. In fact, it comes with a little spray bottle. You just put a little bit of water on. Every once in a while, they feel dry, and that's it. Okay. Now, Look at,
So you can see the stimulation. That's giving you that pain relief.
Look at.
It's just $25 to get this home. If you're curious, if you're looking at it, you can't know what it's like until you experience it. You can see it. You can see the smiles on our faces. You can hear the testimonials. But for $25, trust me on this, this is the biggest configuration we've ever offered. This will sell out today. So this is your time to try it. All you have to lose is that pain in your shoulder, in your back, in your calf, in your leg, in your knee, in your elbow, anywhere. For $25, you are worth it. Your spouse is worth it. Your friends are worth it. You gotta get it home and try it. We're shipping it to you for free. Listen to another very, very happy user of Dr. Ho's pain therapy system.
Before trying this device, I was actually nervous. I thought it was going to be painful and uncomfortable, but it's actually really relaxing and gentle. I really like the timer feature because that would allow me to get a nice massage as I'm falling asleep really late at night. I find with this device, on the nights that I'm not able to fall asleep, I can actually put it on and get a really nice massage, and that helps me sleep, and then I can do my job better in the morning. I don't have the time to go and get massages, and I don't have the money either, but with Dr. Ho, I can get a massage whenever I want and save both time and money.
It feels so good. You gotta try. If you suffer muscle tension or if you suffer pain, give this a try. It really works. Now, Donna here, okay, she's sitting in front of the computer a lot, so you get a lot of tension in the shoulder and the low back. Same thing people who drive a lot. This is something you can use at work, you know, at play, and when you travel. Now, Donna, how's that feeling in your shoulder and your low back?
As soon as I turn the Dr. Ho unit on, the tension releases out of my shoulders. The pain starts to go away in my lower back. Without this, I wouldn't be able to sit and do my computer work as long as I have to sit in front of the computer.
Fantastic.
And you know, I have to have a clear mind when I'm working on the computer, so I don't want to take medication. This is an amazing alternative to that, and I like the natural pain relief that it's giving me.
Now, you have probably tried other TENS device. How do you compare this one to others that you try?
I really like this one, especially because I can control the amount of the waves that are going into my shoulders and make it different from what goes into my back. I like that I can
You like
use
a separate control?
Absolutely. The separate control is awesome, and the fact that it turns off by itself is awesome.
Hey, you can go to sleep and get a good night's sleep because you feel good. Now, in fact, if you pay attention, watch this very carefully, okay?
Look at, so it stimulates that area that is painful.
Well, I want to show you, with this graphics here, we want to show you our device has what we call auto-modulating pain relieving wave, okay? The stimulation is always changing, so your body never gets used to the same thing. Not only that, it's very powerful, but yet it's the most soothing device you will find. If you close your eyes, it just feels like you're getting a deep soothing massage. In fact, this is what I do every day because I spend a lot of time on the computer. I do get a little tension in my shoulder and sometimes the back of my neck. And this is what I do. I put a little pads on my shoulder and I get a neck roll. I just lay down like this. I look forward to this every night because without this, I cannot sleep, okay? This just takes out all the stress, okay? When you put this on, you close your eyes, you know what you feel like? Feel like the best masseuse there, kneading muscle, there's like da-da-da-da-da, then boom, then squeezy, and then letting go. And all of a sudden your head, neck, and shoulders just go, life's good again, and you fall asleep. Now, don't worry if you fall asleep. It does have an auto shut-off timer. You set for 20, 30, 40 minutes. You fall asleep, and the device will fall asleep after you. It's just fantastic.
Excellent. We've got about 90 seconds left for you to be able to take advantage of it. Look at how relaxed you look. I'm never going to be able to get Dr. Ho up. He's so relaxed. If you want to be able to go to sleep with a professional masseuse massaging you into dreamland, this is your answer for a fraction of the cost that it would cost to have a professional masseuse. It feels like that. Your body responds to it the same way, just releasing that tension, that stress of the day. Medication-free pain relief. It doesn't get any better than that, and it's $25 to get it home on Flex. This will sell out. We never have this big
think about
of a configuration.
For the cost of one, maybe two treatments, you and your family and your friends and your neighbors will be coming to the house for treatment, can get years of relief anytime you want. That means you get your life back without spending a lot of money, without wasting time. You can get a Pain Therapy Pro, 2 ports, separate control. The regular size pads if wire, another pair, the large flexible pad for large body area, 4 regular replacement pads, pad placement chart, instructional DVD, and a super light travel case, plus all, excuse me.
All those extra pads.
All this extra pads. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Wrap it up, it's 1,000 treatments for less than $150.
Unbelievable. Definitely take advantage of that before it sells out. Thank